Welcome on in. We're going to show you today our Cherokee Grey Wolf 20 RDSE. This is a great couples floor plan with the big rear dining table, a lot of window space. This one has some great storage. Let me just show you here. In the back, you got all this pantry space. It's got the big deep refrigerator and freezer. For a small unit, it's pretty neat. This one has a ducted AC unit. So instead of just the unit here, it has these little vents that will go all the way back to the bedroom. So your AC can travel comfortably through the whole unit. It's a nice walk around queen bed. It's got the divider curtain for privacy. This is a pretty neat option that they added. It's a DC AC inverter. And what you can do is you can use this outlet off of your battery, so you don't need to be plugged into shore power. So you can charge your phone and use little appliances that you wouldn't normally be able to without this. I'm going to show you the bathroom here. It's got a shallow tub skylight in there to added light. You got a small sink, electric outlets, medicine cabinet storage, and storage below. It does come with the fan to pull air out in the bathroom. And then here for the kitchen, we got the 3-burner stovetop. They added these nice little blue lights here. Got the little microwave. It's got storage above. All these lights are LED light, push button, so you can turn them on and off as you please. And then for the sink here, it does have this drying rack, a little cutting board. You got this little cup holder, so you just push the cup in there. It'll clean the cup right out. And when you're doing big pots and pans dishes, this can come out. And then you got some storage below. It even has a little trash can. Nice little feature. And then this is some good storage for pots and pans, cups, plates, whatever. So for a small unit, you get a lot of storage. I did want to mention too, this back does fold out to a bed. So if you have kids that want to come visit you or friends, they can stay the night. Just put the bed down and they can stay there. And then these all pull down and all the windows do open, so you can close the shades at the end of the night. You do also have a stereo system with speakers and a subwoofer. You can control that all here. You can hook it up to your phone. It's got radio. And then coming outside, you have an electric awning. So it's just easy. You push a button and then all your lights, water heater, all the controls are right here, which is nice. This is a dual axle trailer and is lightweight, so this will handle really well driving down the road and backing up. They're a little easier than the single axle. And this trailer weighs about 4,200 pounds dry, so like a F-150 or a Chevy 1500, any of those model trucks will tow this no problem. You don't have to go out and upgrade your pickup truck. Typically, it's a pretty lightweight product. It's got some great storage with that magnetic latch. And this one goes under the bed, so if you pull the bed up, you can access that under there as well. These models do have solar on the roof, so that'll trickle charge your battery. Outside, you can see the blue LED strip on your electric awning, and then you have speakers and a place to hook up a TV. Inside, I did see the TV mount, but I didn't mention that, so you do have a mount inside for the TV as well. One thing I didn't want to forget to mention is this propane quick connect. What this is going to do is going to allow you to put like a little grill out here when you're under your awning having a good time at your campfire and you want to grill up some hot dogs or hamburgers. You're just going to hook up your grill here. It's fed to the front propane tank, so it's just a nice feature to have, especially when you're out by your campfire and you want to have a little grill. And dog lovers, you got the leash latch, so you can bring your four-legged friends along. These all come with the travel rack with the spare tire and a backup camera that you can hook up right to your phone. And then on this side, you got power hookup, sewer hookup, water hookup, which a lot of campgrounds have now. And then you have a little outside shower. So if you go to the beach, you want to just wash off the sand, you just take the outside shower, wash off the sand. These also have the black tank flush. So this is nice because instead of like pouring water down your toilet to clean out the tanks, you can just hook up the hose right here and it'll clean out the tanks nice and easy for you. And this is your hot water heater there, the exhaust. So it's nice being here because instead of like pushing hot air out where you're camping, it's gonna push it out here. And then this one does have the electric tongue jack. So you got a light here and then up and down. So hook it up to your truck. It's got the cover for your propane tanks and your battery's gonna be right behind. For a great affordable price, you can buy this trailer brand new. Just want to invite you into Lee's family-owned business, and we just want to do our best to get you in a trailer that'll work perfectly for you and your family.